In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Bitcoin BTCUSD to Metatrader 5. Before we jump into the platform, a quick note. You will only see Bitcoin if your broker actually offers cryptocurrency trading on MT5. If it's missing later on, that's usually the reason. You can check your broker's instrument list or reach out to their support for confirmation. Let's start on desktop. Whether you are using Windows or Mac, open Metatrader 5 and make sure the Market Watch window is visible on the left. If you don't see it, go to the View menu and choose Market Watch, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+M. That panel is where all available symbols are managed and displayed. Inside Market Watch, right-click anywhere in the list and select Symbols. You can also press Ctrl+U to get there directly. This opens the Symbols window, which is essentially the full catalog of instruments your broker provides access to. Now search for Bitcoin. Depending on your broker, it may be organized under folders named Crypto, Cryptocurrencies, or CFD Crypto. Expand those folders to browse, or use the search bar at the top and type BTC. You might also see variations like BTCUSDM. That's normal. Brokers sometimes use slightly different naming conventions. Once you locate BTC, select it and click Show. That action enables the symbol in your Market Watch list, so it's visible and ready to use. Close the Symbols window, and you should now see BTCUSD listed in Market Watch. To view price action, click and drag BTCUSD from Market Watch into the main chart area. A live chart will load, and you can adjust timeframes or add indicators as you normally would. If BTCUSD doesn't appear even after searching, it typically means the broker hasn't enabled it for your account type. Now, let's do the same on mobile. Open the MT5 app and tap the quotes icon at the bottom left. This is your instrument list on mobile to add Bitcoin. Tap the plus icon at the top right. If you see a crypto folder, tap it. Otherwise, use the search bar and type BTC. When you find the symbol, tap the plus or tap the symbol name to add it to your quotes list immediately. Return to the main quote screen, find BTCUSD and tap it. From here, you can choose chart to view price action or new order to place a trade if your broker allows it. If spreads look wide or pricing seems inactive, that can be broker phase specific or time day related for crypto. That's it. Thanks for watching.